So what's up guys, in this video ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano makaka-earn ng certificates kay VegEskwela. So una, search VegEskwela, VegEskwela, okay, then click. So ngayon nandito na tayo sa website ni VegEskwela. So, VegEskwela is one of the programs ni East West Seed Foundation. VegEskwela aims to raise appreciation, production, and consumption of vegetables as a component of a healthy lifestyle and contribution to food security among students, teachers, parents, and the community at large through vegetable gardening training and knowledge transfer. So makikita natin dito yung online webinar series ni VegEskwela. Okay. Kaya lang, para maka-earn tayo ng certificates, we need to sign up. So in the upper part, makikita natin yung sign up and click. And we need to become a member ni VegEskwela para maka-earn ng certificate. And fill up yung mga necessary information dito. The first name, the last name, including your address and your work profile, kung meron. No? Then, sign up. But at this case, since member na ako ni VegEskwela, magla-login na lang ako. Login with email. So and password. Okay. So this is my personalized profile account kay VegEskwela. So makikita natin, merong profile, may subscription, may account, settings, and VegEskwela. Click on VegEskwela. Then, at the lower part, makikita natin yung VegEskwela online webinar series. Sa bawat episode, merong kang ma-earn na certificates. No? So, ang mga content ni VegEskwela, makikita natin na meron siyang producing organic fertilizer, home gardening, vegetable design, or gardening design, and home composting and vermicomposting, cutting or seeds, growing fruit vegetables, leafy vegetables, and natural pest and disease management. No? So at this case, makikita natin, no, para maka-earn tayo ng certificate, we need to watch the episode na gusto nating makuha. Pero kung nahirapan na panoorin yung video, pwede tayong pumili ng options like download slides and download teaching notes na babasahin na lang natin siya. No? Then, kapag nakagather na tayo ng information, knowledge, and data on that particular episode, no? Just click the take the certification test. Okay, dito makikita natin yung quiz on episode 1 on container gardening. No? Then, fill up the necessary information like your email. Dapat in accordance yung email natin kasi dun sila magsasend ng certificates. And also, dapat tama din yung pangalan na ilalagay natin. No? Then, after that, napilapan na natin ang email, ang full name, no? And click next, no? After next, makikita na natin doon yung quiz in that particular episodes. No? Kaya lang, ang ano ni Veg Eskwela, dapat ma-perfect mo yung exam para mabigyan ka niya ng certificates. Pero ang good news, ang kagandahan kay Veg Eskwela, pwede kang mag-retake until such time na ma-perfect mo yung quiz in that particular episode. So, I will show you yung sample certificate ni Veg Eskwela. So, ito siya. Certificate of Attendance. So, nakalagay dito yung pangalan mo. This certificate is presented to. Then, merong signed ng Program Officer and Managing Director ng Veg Eskwela. And I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching and God bless.